So guys, ang kaibigan ko, dinalaw ako. Ngayon, papakantahin ko siya ng isang kanta bago umuwi. Sige, kanta na.
Sige.
There are times when I want us to say what's on her mind.
Wow.
Even though she knows how much it's gonna hurt. Before I say another word, let me tell you
Galing
I
talaga.
love you. Let me hold me close and say these words as gently as I can.
Wow.
Ano, chorus na ba?
Turn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Turn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving you both is breaking all the rules.
Wow, ang galing.
Okay na.
Okay, thank you very much.